Now, if you're in the internet marketing or make money online niche, you're probably aware of the advertising opportunities on the Warrior Forum. For example, this advert up here at the top, costs $100 for a day, but you'll be in a revolution with, I believe, 7 other advertisers, maybe even more than that now. So you don't really know how many impressions you're going to get when you're here. And the only way to find out if you're going to make a return on investment on your $100 is to actually try it out. However, an alternative is Wicked Fire, which is basically the next most popular forum in the make money online or online marketing niche. So as you can see, it's pretty popular. There are posts today in the main forum and in other forums. So basically, this is a popular forum, not as popular as the Warrior Forum, but at the same time, to advertise on here isn't as competitive. So if we click advertise at the top here, what we see is the advertising opportunities available on Wicked Fire. So top leaderboard tells you the size of the ad, and that's $5.55 per 1,000 impressions, and that's available. So the add to cart button's there. After first posting threads, so this is when people are actually engaged by the content, $4.44 per 1,000 impressions. Footer, sidebar, and the top leaderboard for mobile, which is $2.22 per 1,000 impressions, isn't available. So that's the only ad that is not available at the moment. So let's say we're interested in the top leaderboard. If I click on add to cart, what I can see is that at $5.55 per 1,000 impressions, I could purchase 50,000 impressions on my advertisement at the top here. Would replace this advert presumably for $277.50, which is $5.55 times 50. So that adds up perfectly. So if you wanted to advertise on the forum, you couldn't get to the Warrior Forum, or you wasn't happy with the amount of impressions that you're going to get, you could consider advertising on Wicked Fire. And if you have a squeeze page or a sales page or JV page, this is obviously a pretty useful place for you to advertise. So do take a look at the forum, see if you think the users are the type of people that you want to actually advertise to, and if you do, consider having a look at the advertising options here.